After key farmer meet at the Singhu border today, farmer unions have postponed their November 29 tractor rally to Parliament. The Samyukt Kisan Morcha has written an open letter to Prime Minister Modi reiterating its demands and asking the centre to restart talks. The farmers' unions will again meet on December 4th to decide the future course of action of their movement. The farmers continue to remain defiant on their demands, which includes a guaranteed law on MSP, withdrawal of cases against protesters and compensation for the families of deceased farmers, among others. Farmers from Rajasthan, Haryana and other states attended the meeting that came a day after their agitation completed 1 year. Meanwhile, after meeting Prime Minister Modi on Friday, Haryana Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar has confirmed that a law on MSP is unlikely. The two leaders held discussions over the three farm laws ahead of the upcoming winter session of Parliament. Khattar said that a law guaranteeing MSP on all crops would put pressure on the government.
लूट एमएसपी पे होती है किसान की, तो उससे भारत सरकार बचने चाहती है। वो हमारा बड़ा इशू प्रायोरिटी पे है कि एमएसपी को लीगल कानूनी गारंटी भारत सरकार दे, और उस पर पूरे देश की निगाहें उस पर हैं। सब प्रेस के माध्यम से हम कहना चाहते हैं भारत सरकार को कि एमएसपी पे लीगल गारंटी हमको कानून बना कर दे दे।
We have postponed our 29th Sansad Kuch, but we have also planned a meeting on 4th of December, because already we have written a letter to the Prime Minister in which 6-point charter we have given to him, out of which there were three demand was previously in our previous demand charter, and 3 are generated from this struggle, this andolan. So now on those 6 points we are asking him to resolve them also, but he has not replied.
प्रधानमंत्री जी ने जीरो बजट खेती, क्रॉप डाइवर्सिफिकेशन, एमएसपी को और प्रभावी, पारदर्शी बनाने जैसे विषयों पर विचार करने के लिए एक समिति बनाने की घोषणा की है। इस समिति में आंदोलनरत किसानों के प्रतिनिधि भी रहेंगे। किसानों की क्रॉप डाइवर्सिफिकेशन और एमएसपी पर विचार करने की भी मांग थी। यह मांग इससे पूरी होती है।
The Samyukt Kisan Morcha held a crucial meeting at Singhu border today, where farm organizations from across the country had assembled. 3 takeaways from this particular meeting is that, number 1, the farmers' agitation will continue and the next plan of action will be announced on 4th of December. Number 2, the farm leaders have made it clear that the government needs to sit across a discussion table where pending issues such as cases filed against farmers, compensation amount, stand on electricity bill needs to be discussed and resolved. Number 3, and the most important factor, the farm leaders have made it clear that the government needs to give assurance in the parliament that it is going to form a legislation on MSP and the procurement will be done in accordance with the MSP legislation. With video journalist Zia, this is Amit Bhardwaj from Singhu border for India Today.
Now, speaking of the farmers and their demands, what exactly are those demands? The first demand that they're making is bring a bill that guarantees minimum support price. That is what the farmers are saying. What they're also demanding is withdraw the electricity amendment bill. That is their demand, which they've written to the Prime Minister about. Withdraw cases against protesters. Again, saying all state governments that have registered cases against protesters, they should be withdrawing those cases. The fourth demand they make is provide compensation for deceased farmers' families. That is the fourth demand. And the fifth demand, which has been accepted by the government, is to decriminalize stubble burning. That's the fifth demand. The sixth demand, which they're making crucially, is sack MOS home Ajay Mishra over the Lakhimpur Kheri case.